Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Simi, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Simi, we just saw in the page 3 story कि जो step moms होती हैं and जो third women होती हैं, they all act like they're one big happy family. Is that true?
Yes, that was a very interesting story. I was actually enjoying it while watching it. It is true because these families really exist in Bollywood. तो कहीं ना कुछ सच है, कुछ ना कुछ हकीकत है. Yes, it is true. They do manage to exist.
But do you think it's really that easy the way it seems?
I'm sure it's not easy. It's very difficult. अगर हम अपने आप को उनकी जगह डालें तो can you imagine like sharing the space, sharing your dad, seeing your mom go through it, you know, it's very difficult, but somehow they do manage to do it.
How do you think that happened?
They're children of showbiz. They kind of grow up to all these controversies, scandals, you know. वो जब से अपनी होश संभालते हैं वो यही सब पढ़ते हैं कि you know their dad is being seen with this woman and now the dad is involved with this lady and it just goes on. So I think they're probably 5 or 6 years old and you know even if they're not reading it in the media, they start hearing it at school. You know the world is not a very kind place. So ये सब उनसे छुपा नहीं रहता है. तो I think कहीं ना कहीं जो you know filmy kids होते हैं, star kids होते हैं, they get conditioned to it, you know, कि हमारी तो life ऐसी है and kind of they have no choice but to adjust because they won't be able to survive otherwise. Secondly, I think एक और reason ये है कि यहाँ पे जो peer pressure होता है वो नहीं होता इनके लिए. They don't have to worry about what society is going to say. तो इनकी जो company होती है, the kind of people they hang around with, they're all from Bollywood. तो इनके लिए कोई नई बात नहीं है. It's like, okay, you know, my dad has another woman, so is, you know, my friend's father, you know, he's involved somewhere else. तो ये जहाँ देखते हैं यही कुछ हो रहा होता है. कहीं घर टूट रहे होते हैं तो कहीं कोई link up हो रहा होता है, कहीं कोई affair होता है. तो, you know, these triangle, quadrangles is no big deal for them. Because it's like, you know, if it's happening in my house, it's happening anywhere else too, you know. It's no big deal for them. At least वो social embarrassment is kind of easier for them to handle.
तो ये तो star kids की बात हुई. But what about the mother herself?
I don't want to take any particular names here. I've seen like showbiz moms just lose it, you know, because it's very hard. Here's this ordinary looking woman and suddenly her husband is rich and famous and sought after and, you know, she's probably not that glamorous and then she loses her husband to a really glamorous, famous, successful actress, you know. She can't even dare compete at that time. So I'm sure she's shattered and I have seen such cases. I don't want to take any names here, you know, bichari abhi they've kind of, you know, grown much older, but they've, you know, lost themselves to alcohol so many times and their husbands are usually drinking so much. वो भी साथ में बैठ के पीती हैं, झगड़े होते हैं. It's a very, very messy situation. हमें ऐसे दूर से लगता है that it's all sweet and nice, but I'm sure it's very hard for some of the families. It's very sad, but it's true. I feel bad for the woman. I feel bad for the kids and I'm not about to judge the men. I mean, these things happen. It's the industry, you know, they are going to keep meeting people and if you're rich and famous, it's going to happen. You are going to find attractive women and things just happen.
But since when is Simi not taking names?
I am going to take names. It's like I'm very impressed. I'll tell you, I've in fact written about this. Farhan Akhtar, Shahid Kapoor, you know, log kehte hain that if you're from a broken home, it's very upsetting for the child and, you know, they usually tend to become losers and they don't make it in life and they're drifters. And I have actually said that, you know, when you look at Farhan Akhtar and you look at Shahid Kapoor, they're like an example for the single mom, irrespective of whether she's divorced or widowed or whatever. She does not need to worry. There's like a ray of hope. Look at how well these children have come up and how well they're doing for themselves. In spite of everything, Shahid Kapoor's childhood has not been easy. You know, if he went to his dad's house, there were stepchildren. He came home, he had to worry about what his mom is probably going through. It's not been easy for him, but look at him today, you know. He's fought all the odds and he's made it there. Ditto with Farhan, it mustn't have been easy. But he's doing so well for himself, whether it's acting, directing, singing, it's like, I don't know, this kind of, I think the turmoil in their life has probably given them a strange strength that normal children do not have.
But Simi, at the same time, do you think these star kids have the same, you know, opportunity to make the same mistakes or do they learn from it?
Very tricky question, but yes, you know, there's a very popular saying that history always repeats itself. I mean, if you look at Dharmendra and Hema Malini, you know, when I was growing, I used to think like, oh my God, you know, Sunny Deol is never going to do this to his wife. But guess what? He started doing it to her even before he got married to her. He was already with Dimple while he was engaged to his wife, who's now his wife. I think with the exception of Farhan Akhtar, who's so dedicated to his wife, touch wood. But Shahid Kapoor, I mean, he's such a playboy. I don't know, maybe he'll settle down once he's married. But no, I think, look at Salman Khan. He's such a Casanova. I think history just totally repeats itself.
तो ये स्टार किड्स एंड ये स्टार वाइफ्स कैसे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं?
Because Urvashi, agar you know, it's like I think they're probably thinking, let us deal with one woman in my dad's life, because showbiz एक ऐसी industry है जहाँ women आती रहती हैं life में, and probably they're always younger, prettier, more glamorous. So I think the wife and the children are probably thinking कि एक ही औरत से समझौता कर लेते हैं, कम से कम कहीं ना कहीं तो वो जाके बुढ़ी होगी, कहीं ना कहीं तो at least वो, you know, she won't be a threat anymore. She'll just be one of us, you know, just like how we are, like, you know, yesterday's news. It's probably the same thing. So I think they find it easier to deal with one woman, because if it's not one woman, the father is going to continue having affairs. He's going to continue seeing other women. So it's like they have no choice. There are going to be other women.
But do you think that's also a guarantee? I doubt it.
No, not really, but almost. It's still better, right? I mean,
Choose between the devil and the deep sea.
no, I think in this case it's not that bad. So it's probably a better choice for them to accept just one woman. Also, if you ask me why do the children take it, you know, the moms are not always that successful or rich, but the father is kind of being like worshipped by people, you know, so he's like an idol for them. So they kind of look up to them. And शायद कोई ordinary बच्चा हो तो वो सोचे, of an ordinary father, वो शायद सोचे कि, you know, I can judge my dad, maybe he's not great. But ये बच्चे सोच रहे हैं कि everybody is crazy about my dad. So they start looking up to the father. Also, I think there is a lot of material comfort with the dads.
Yeah.
So they have no choice, you know. It's like the mom cannot provide them the same kind of glamorous life, even if she has the money. तो जो शोहरत है, जो importance मिलता है being a star's son or being a star's daughter, I think, you know, they probably get glamour struck too in a small way. So it's good from far, but far from good.
Well, that is so true.